Welcome to our video on mastering asynchronous JavaScript. But what exactly is asynchronous programming? In simple terms, it's a way of writing code that runs in the background without blocking other tasks. So let's start with callbacks. A callback is a function that's passed as an argument to another function. It's like a messenger that says, "Hey, I'm done with this task. Here's the result." Now let's talk about async/await. Async/await is a way of writing asynchronous code that looks synchronous. It's like magic. Now let's talk about promises. A promise is a way of handling asynchronous code that's not yet resolved. It's like a box that says I'll give you the result when it's ready. Here's a diagram of how async/await works. It's like a dance between the caller and the promise. So what are some common mistakes to avoid when using async/await? Well, one thing is to forget to use await. So what are some best practices for using async/await? Well, one thing is to use await in the correct order. Let's take a look at a real-world example of using async/await. We'll build a function that fetches user data from an API. So that's it for today's video on mastering asynchronous JavaScript. We covered callbacks, promises, and async/await. I hope you learned something new and useful. So what's next? Well, I'd recommend checking out some resources on asynchronous programming. There are plenty of tutorials and articles online that can help you improve your skills. Thanks for watching our video on mastering asynchronous JavaScript. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comments section below.